How to contact Agoda customer service. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you contact Agoda customer service. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Gmail app with your any Gmail account. So simply you have to open the app. Alright, so after you open the Gmail with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to tap on this compose option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from the compose section, you will have to give the email address of that Agoda customer service. So the email address will be like biz@agoda.com. Alright, so after you type this, you will have to select this Google account from here. Alright, so now from here you will have to go with the section subject. So from here you will have to mention the subject of your customer service. So from here you will have to mention the main headline of your problem. So after you done this, on the section compose email, you will have to explain your problem or something guidelines that you want to get from the Agoda customer service. So from here you will have to mention your each concern here. So after that you will have to tap on the send option just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply from there you will have to send the email from your account to Agoda customer service. So this is the simplest and easiest method to contact customer service on Agoda. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this.